Hello, my dear studios. Happy to have you all here in the session. Before going to the content, I would like to ask you a few questions. What do you think about being idle? What would be the consequences of being idle? Whom you are thinking the people in safest zone? Let us explore the answer for all these questions from a poem, The Ant and the Cricket. Now let us go through the poem and then I'll give you the summary. A silly young cricket, accustomed to sing through the warm, sunny months of gay summer and spring, began to complain when he found that at home his cupboard was empty and winter was come. Not a crumb to be found on the snow covered ground, not a flower could he see, not a leaf on a tree. Oh, what will become, says the cricket, of me? At last, by starvation and famine made bold, all dripping with wet and all trembling with cold, away he set off to a miserly ant to see if, to keep him alive, he would grant him shelter from rain and a mouthful of grain. He wished to only to borrow, he would repay it tomorrow. If not, he must die of starvation and sorrow. Says the ant to the cricket, I am your servant and friend. But we ants never borrow, we ants never lend. But tell me, dear cricket, did you lay nothing by? When the weather was warm, quoth the cricket, not I. My heart was so light that I sang day and night. For all nature looked gay. You sang, saw you say. Go, then says the ant, and dance the winter away. Thus ending, he hastily lifted the wicket, and out of the door turned the poor little cricket. Folks call this fable. I'll warrant it true. Some crickets have 4 legs and some have 2. Now we'll go to the summary. What this poem about? The poem, The Ant and the Cricket, is a fable. Actually, a fable is a traditional story which teaches a moral lessons, and usually the characters in fables are animals. Animals plays the role of human being to teach the morality of life to us. This poem is also teaches a very important moral lessons of being industrious like an ant. It also teaches we should not be like the cricket. This poem is about the cricket, an insect who found himself in troubles as the winter season arrived. He found he had nothing to eat, nor he had care to make a shelter for himself. He desired to go to an ant for help. He wished to borrow some grain from her and to spend a day or two in her hole during the rainy days. His intention was to pay her back later on. However, the ant did not help the cricket. She told him without mincing words that it was rule of ants that they neither borrowed nor lent. She asked the cricket in astonishment if he had not saved anything for the winter, to which the cricket replied in negative. She asked him the reason. He replied was he was so busy in enjoying life. He did not bother to save or put by anything for future. The ant taunted him to go and dance during the winter also. What you have learned from these children? What is the message conveyed? When we are young, we must spend our time working and planning for the future. What is the message conveyed in this exactly? If we did not work hard today, we cannot have a happy life tomorrow. We save basically because we can't predict the future. Saving money can help you become financially secure and provide a safety net in case of an emergency. I would like to ask you another question. Can money brings happiness? Definitely not. It is one of the most heavily disputed questions of all time. Few things cannot be fulfilled by material things or by money. For example, our humanity and real emotions. Then what can be done? What to do? What is the moral of this? Moreover, we should planning is essential for everyone and it ensures a secure future. That is very important. So, plan your work and work your plan. Thank you, dears.